So next, one of the equipment that we're going to show you here in navigational bridge is
This is the AIS model GHS 182. I will increase the dim for you. Just a moment.
Yes,
Okay.
so it will be easily shown on.
Okay. This dark man. Sige, pwede na. Alright, this is our AIS, and in the main menu, this is we have 5 items that you are going to operate this AIS. AIS during navigation should always be switched on, because nowadays AIS is monitored by charterers and owners as well. So just for your information, AIS is very useful to monitor the ship's present position or track in any part of the world.
AIS meaning, please?
AIS stands for Automatic Identification System.
So generally, this will give specific names of our vessel or all its specifications or principles.
Yeah, but it has more features like firstly, you have to input your own ship's data
Okay.
here in voyage static data. So here you can see inside the voyage static data is the navigation status. We put it underway using engine since we are already underway, and the destination, the ETA, the draft. You should input here the actual information that your ship has. The same way, this information is very commonly yeah, you could. I hope it is clearer for you that this information is very important, since this table is usually searched by PEC or any other third party that will conduct information inspection on board. So now, other than the ship's own data, I will show you you could see there are message. It means that you could send message to any station that has also AIS. So you can send text message just like using a cell phone, and then you could also receive any replies from them. So transmit, this is a transmit tray, this is the receive tray, interrogation, and long range. So this has to do with text messaging with the AIS. So it means text messaging is available in ICDIS. And alarm settings and maintenance, these are all just basic features of any AIS. And we have a good AIS from GRC, and from the main monitor you could see the nearest vessel name and position in your AIS. That's the main feature of an AIS, which you can monitor while you are navigating the nearest vessel around your vicinity. The maximum range that you could receive any information from the other AIS from other vessels is about 100 nautical miles only. Farther than that, you could not anymore receive data from them, except from I'm not sure with other AIS model, But for us, our model has to do only with the range of 100 nautical miles.
Okay,
This is
so
very useful for navigation as well, since this AIS is linked to our radars and IPDES. So any information from here, any vessels that received from here can be seen in radars and IPDES.
okay, very well
Alright.
said. All right. So just to wrap it up, the AIS is the automatic identification system. In general, it just show the basic data of the ships. Thanks for watching. Please like our video and don't forget to subscribe to keep you notified to our latest